Good morning, sir. Myself, B. Anil Kumar from CSCA section. My topic is the web and HTTP. The web and HTTP, understanding the foundation of modern internet communication. What is the web? The web, the World Wide Web is a vast information system where documents and resources are identified by URL and accessed via the internet. It's not the internet itself, but rather an application that run on top of it. Invented by the Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, the web transformed how we shared and accessed information globally. Today, billions of web pages are interconnected through hyperlinks, creating an integrated digital economist. Core web components: web browser, web service, URLs, HTML. Enter HTTP, the protocol behind it all. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the foundation of data communication on the web. It defines how messages are formatted and transmitted between browsers and servers. Think of HTTP as the language that browsers and servers use to talk to each other. When you type a URL or click a link, HTTP is working behind these scenes to fetch and deliver content. How HTTP works: the request response cycle. Client request: browse send an HTTP request to the server. Server processing: server receive request and process it. Server response: server send back the request resources. Content display: browsers reader the content for the user. Common HTTP methods: get receives data from the server without modifying it. This is the most common method used when you navigate to a web page or load an image. Post send data to the server to create the update a resource used when submitting forms, uploading files, or creating new content. Put replace existing data on the server with new data, often used in REST API to update either resources. Delete remove a specified resources from server used to permanently delete data or content. HTTP status codes: 2xx success, 200 OK requests succeed, 201 created, new resources created, 204 no content, success but not content to return, 4 400 bad request, invalid syntax, 404 not found, resources does not exist, 403 forbidden, access denied, 300 moved permanently, resources reallocated, 304 not modified, use cached version, 500 internal server error, server manipulation. HTTP versus HTTPS security matters. HTTP data transmit in plain text, vulnerable to encryption and tampering, no encryption protection. HTTPS encrypted configuration using TCL SSL protocol, protects data integrity, privacy, and authority. Key HTTP concepts for developers: stateless protocols. Each HTTP request in independent server does not train information between requests, which is why cookies and season exist to the maintain state. Headers: Metadata sent with request and response, including content type, authentication, tokens, caching, derive, and more. Caching, storing response to the reduced server load and improve performance, controlled through cache control header. Course, course organization resources share allow server to specify which organization can access their resources. Secure cross-domain request. Master the fundamental. Understanding HTTP is essential for every web developer. It's the invisible infrastructure that power everything we'll build online. Practice the with browser developer tools. Build the REST APIs. Keep learning. Thank you.